person's losing about 2 pounds a week or a kilogram a week, we see the insulin resistance goes down, the estrogen production goes down, the inflammation goes down.
We can enter into this new realm of exciting therapeutics.
You have to ask, why does the patient have what they have?
We've noticed a lot more increase in anxiety in this world. We see it correlated a lot with depression. And with depression and anxiety, we also see that pain gets amplified.
The global obesity pandemic, I would call it, is an absolute system failure.
For example, in juvenile detention centers, they've done research where they swapped out the junk food for healthy food. And these kids had a 97% reduction in violence, a 75% reduction in restraints, and 100% reduction in suicide rates, which is the third leading cause of death in that age group.
You know, the most important thing I believe right now for this country's mental health, which translates to the most sensitive part of our society, which are our children.
Carolina then, through exercise and lifestyle, lost over 200 pounds on her own and has been able to maintain this for over 6 years.
20 years of debilitating low back pain. He came into our clinic, and after 2 weeks of care, of manipulation, some exercise, his whole life changed.
And it's really important to know that when somebody gets a diagnosis of an insulin-resistant related condition, this is reversible.
Over the following years, I was able to cure myself of Crohn's disease. And now, almost 20 years later, I don't have Crohn's disease anymore.
If you want to feel better today, let's teach you how to breathe.
Sleep is so important for healing. That's when our body actually heals and restores. And if we're not getting good sleep, we're not going to be able to get the healing process that we need.
Your body is a machine that needs to be used. It needs to be oiled, it needs to be fed, it needs to be trained.
We do have our genes. Why is it not true that it's going to determine everything that we look, act, and feel over the course of living?
You have the power to do everything. You can change your life in an instant by just making one decision.